Make sure all electrical and physical connections between your truck shell and your vehicle are disconnected according to your manufacturer's instructions. With the pulley blocks connected to the lifting brackets, use the variable speed controller button in the MyLifter app to slowly lift the truck shell several inches off your vehicle. On the device control screen, tap Set Low button to set your smart low point. Slowly raise the truck top using the variable speed controller button until there is approximately 12 inches between the ceiling and the top of the truck shell. Do not allow the pulley blocks to touch the MyLifters. On the device control screen, tap the Set High button to set your smart high point. With your smart high and smart low point set, you can now easily lift and lower your truck shell with the app. Is the top level? If not, you might be able to level it by tapping Help in the app and then tapping Level Group. This menu allows you to adjust each MyLifter individually. Once you have leveled the group, tap Set Group Level. If this doesn't fix the level, you may need to lower the top back onto the truck and loosen the lifting brackets with the Allen wrench. Then slide the brackets to change their position and retighten the Allen screws. Lift the top to check its level. Repeat this process as necessary.